In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create late fees inside of InvoiceQuick. It is super simple to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up InvoiceQuick like you usually would. Then from here you need to go over to invoicing in the menu and go down to the sub menu and click on late fees. Then from here this page should be popping up, and as you can see I personally have no late fees right now. So I'm gonna click add new one. Then from here you can see up here on the right hand corner, new late fee. Here you can write in a name and when should the first late fee apply, and then you can write in 7 days. And you can add a recurring late fee, and here you can how often should additional late fees be applied, and here you can select either monthly, daily, weekly, 2 weeks, 4 weeks, and so on. Then from here you can select how many times we send this invoice. And you can either click a selected amount of times or you can click infinity amount of times. So from here you can add a percentage or a flat fee for how much the late fee should be. You can say, let's say 5% here. Then from here, when you're done, you just need to click save. And as you can see, late fees is successfully saved. And if I update this right here, you can see my new late fee has been made. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!